How to use Google Wallet. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you and teaching you how you can use the Google Wallet. Now, before we go ahead, I want you to note that Google Wallet is a wallet. Okay, and what is the function of a wallet? A wallet is a place where you store funds, money, and other cards, so to say, and you store them for use. Yes, you store them for use, and it's a place where you can just easily reach out to get your money, to get your cards, to get your tickets, whichever thing stored inside. That's one first thing I wanted to note about a Google Wallet. And the next thing is that is for you to install the Google Wallet on your application. You can install it by going to your Play Store, and then once you've installed it, you open your Google Wallet. So once you've opened it, since your Google Wallet is since Google Wallet is an application under Google, your account will be created automatically once you sign up using your Google Mail. Once you use your Gmail, your account will be set up automatically. I'm sure that is gotten. So once your account is set up automatically and you're on the application, the next thing for you to do is to add a card to your Google Wallet. This is because a wallet is not useful unless there is money inside, right? And for you to be able to add money to your Google Wallet, you have to ensure that you have a card set up on the application. So what do you do next? You click on add card. Add card is on pay, is in this box displaying pay everywhere. Google Pay is accepted. Now another thing I want to note here is that Google Pay is the same thing as Google Wallet. So in case you come across Google Pay, Google Wallet, or maybe on the website, wherever, don't be don't act strange. It's not a strange word. It's the same thing as Google Wallet. So just go ahead and click on add a card. Or instead of clicking on it directly, you can just click on add to wallet located by the lower right corner of the screen. Just click on add to wallet. Here you will see a list of things that can be added to your wallet, such as transit pass, loyalty card, gift card, and then a payment card, whichever one you want to add. So you can just click on payment card. And then once you click on payment card here, you can add it, either your debit card or your credit card here by entering the card number into the space available. Okay. Once you enter in your um, your card number, just click on save, and then it will be saved automatically. Then you can also add your transit pass. You can add loyalty card, you can add gift card. So for you to add transit pass, all you need to do is to click on it. And once you click on it, you'll be asked to choose a transit agency. And once you select a transit agency, as for example, let's select Alexandra LA, as Los Angeles, and then you'll be asked to buy a pass. Yeah, you can, all you need to do is just to fill in these details. If an adult, then a fair ride. If it's for a month, if it's for just a single ride, and you take ticket to work for, just go ahead and select it, and then click on select. And afterwards, you see other instructions, and just follow the instructions. And from there, your transit pass will be added to your your Google Wallet. So let's go back now to Google Wallet page. So yeah, now you can also add your loyalty card. For you to add, just click on the name, follow the instruction. You can also add your gift card. You can add boarding passes. You can add event tickets. Whatever you want to add, just like a physical wallet where you can keep your necessary cards. That's the same way you can add cards, as a virtual card, to your Google Wallet account. So this is just a basic way of how to use your Google Wallet. It is a site, or it is an application where you can make numerous payments online. So thanks for watching this tutorial.